this issue and for joining us. Well, we have Shivani Yadav, a NEET aspirant who has now joined us on this broadcast as well. Shivani, thank you so much for joining this telecast. I want to understand from you, obviously this is a big win for the students who have been demanding accountability from the government's end, and that resulted in the resignation of Union Minister for Education, Dharmendra Pradhan.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the opportunity. So I think it is a very big step from the government, and it shows the accountability of government. And by the resignation of education minister, we'll hope for no more future leaks.
Absolutely. And Shivani, going forward, how do you look at this development? Because now the government has shown its intent that yes, it is ready to work towards the future of the students. The Prime Minister released a video stating that nothing is above the future of the students. People like you who are NEET aspirants, who are working towards becoming future doctors, who are giving these public examinations. How do you see the government's attitude, firstly, I want to say, because this is a government that is working for you.
I'll say that the protest and the hunger strike, it was all worth it by the resignation of the government, and now the government will take the students' education and future more seriously, and will form new reforms which will be better for the students' future.
Absolutely. And Shivani, when we are talking about these protests that were happening that led to the ultimate resignation, do you believe that now the students should also, take a step back, work with the government?
Yes. I think that now the demands which the students were asking, now they have met. So I think the students should back now and stop the protests.
And Shivani, what's the next step forward? As a NEET aspirant, I want to understand, how do you think that this can go forward now? A change in the entire public examination system, or some amendments in systems that are taking place, if I can get your views on that.
I think now that the government has said that it will be forming reforms, so I think there will be more transparency, a better trustworthy system, and I think they will be, reforming the system that I'll say that I'm sorry, but
yeah,
the system would be more transparent. The students will trust the government more now, and they will try to improve the system. Ki in future there would be no leaks
right,
like this, so इससे फिर जो future students हैं उनको अपने future क्लास से कुछ खतरा नहीं लगेगा, and there would be that kind of trust कि बच्चे ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि पेपर लीक हो जाता है तो हम नहीं पढ़ें
जी।
So वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं होंगी।
धन्यवाद आपका शिवानी, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और अपना कीमती टाइम हमें देने के लिए. With that, viewers, let's also get in Raj Lakshmi Joshi, a political